Welcome to Qnergy. We are a remote power company that provides the only maintenance-free generator in the 1 to 10 kilowatt range. We provide the energy that allows our customers to reduce cost, reduce their greenhouse gas emissions, and improve efficiency. During the last 2 years, we've been consistently launching new applications that help our customers become more efficient, starting with protecting pipelines from rust, providing power and the heat that protects pipelines from freezing off during the winter, through backing up solar power in places when there's not enough sun. And now we're launching the most exciting application. It turns out that the gas industry is very sensitive to greenhouse gas emission. And it turns out that about 15% of their emissions is using the gas as a walking fluid to run pneumatic devices. Now we have a solution. We couple our generators with air compressors to replace this methane emission with simply compressed air without any of the pollution. Clean, efficient, and reliable. What is the technology that allows us to provide such broad applications and be so maintenance-free? Think about it this way. We all own a refrigerator and a car. The car requires maintenance quite often, but no one is maintaining the compressor of their refrigerator. The reason is because it is sealed. We're building a sealed engine. What's interesting is the invention is about 200 years old. We use a construct called the Stirling engine. The Stirling is a very simple idea. If you heat a gas from below with constant heat, the gas expands, then it cools, then it retracts, and that creates a periodic motion. If you attach a magnet to this gas, you can create electricity. This is a regular cup of coffee, a Stirling toy that you can buy off the internet, and the heat of the cup of coffee is enough to run motion. But the trick is not to develop a toy, but to develop equipment that never breaks. And this is what we've done here. The combination of precision mechanics and state-of-the-art power electronics allows us to build this. The only generator on the planet that can work for decades in temperature anywhere between minus 40 F to plus 135 F without any maintenance, giving our customers true peace of mind. In fact, during the summer, NASA issued a press release where they said that this Stirling technology that we are using is the most reliable engine technology ever invented. One of our customers was skeptical about the performance. A leading gas company decided to test our performance and compare it to other companies in the remote power sector. What they found is that we're not only the lowest cost, we're also best in terms of greenhouse gas emission. Let me end with two stories. Number one is one of our first customers. He was really skeptical at the beginning because as an electrician, he learned in engineering school about the limitations of Stirling. But only after he visited our facility, saw the generator that we built, he was willing to test it for about 3 months. After 3 months of testing, he came to the conclusion that this is the most reliable remote power that he can have, so he not only bought the unit that he's been testing, since then he bought dozens of units. We're really proud and really grateful to have such a loyal base of Fortune 500 gas companies that are now consistently buying our generator, and in return we provide true peace of mind in terms of their maintenance-free and reliability capabilities. The second story is actually from the other side of the spectrum. This is a pig farm in Mexico. The farmer had an issue with pig manure. He was polluting the river with pig manure until he was offered a solution. The solution was to put the manure in biodigesters that create methane, and the methane is fed into our generator to provide clean energy. So think about it. The same technology allows people that have access to animal manure but no access to energy, get access to clean energy, and 21st century gas companies have access to a reliable, maintenance-free, low-emission generator. For more information on how to bring reliable remote power to your company, visit Qnergy.com. Thank you very much.